Let me ask you something. Have you ever slept for 8 hours, woken up, and still felt like you got hit by a truck? Like, you didn't pull an all-nighter, you didn't party, you did everything right, and yet, your brain feels foggy, your body feels heavy, and you're already tired of the day before it even starts. Yeah, that was me, for years. And here's the scary part. Sleep isn't the problem. Back when I was in school, I used to blame myself. I'm just lazy. Everyone else can handle life. Why can't I? I'll fix it tomorrow. But tomorrow came, and I was still tired, even on weekends, even after long sleep. And that's when I realized something that changed everything. You can be sleeping enough and still be exhausted. Let me show you why. Reason number 1, your brain never actually rests. Here's the truth. No one tells students. You stop studying, you stop working, but your brain never clocks out. Think about it. You lie in bed, phone in hand, scrolling, comparing, overthinking tomorrow's test, that awkward conversation, that unfinished assignment. Your body is horizontal, but your mind is running marathons. So when you wake up, your brain is already tired before the day even begins. Sleep without mental rest equals fake recovery, and most of us are addicted to fake recovery. Reason number 2, you're chronically understimulated. This one sounds weird, but stay with me. Most students are either overstimulated by screens or understimulated by real life. You wake up, phone. Study, distracted, night, phone again. Your brain never gets deep focus or real rest, so it stays stuck in this low-energy, foggy mode. That's why caffeine doesn't fix it. That's why motivation feels fake. That's why you feel tired but can't sleep properly. Your brain is bored and overwhelmed at the same time. Yeah, that combo is deadly. Reason number 3, your evenings are sabotaging your mornings. Let me be honest. Most people try to fix tiredness in the morning. Better alarms, cold showers, motivational videos. But energy is decided the night before. Late nights don't just steal sleep, they steal sleep quality. Bright lights, heavy food, endless scrolling, random stress before bed. Your body sleeps, but never drops into deep recovery. So you wake up feeling like you were resting, not resetting. Big difference. And once I fixed my nights, my mornings changed without effort. Reason number 4, you're living in constant catch-up mode. This one hurts, but it's important. If your life feels like, I'll catch up tomorrow, I'll rest after exams, I'll breathe after this week, your nervous system is always on edge, even during sleep. Your body doesn't trust that rest is coming, so it never fully relaxes. That's why weekends don't recharge you. That's why holidays feel short. That's why you're always tired even when nothing is happening. You're not tired from work. You're tired from never feeling done. What actually fixed it? Here's what helped me, and you can try this tonight. 1. A 30-minute brain shutdown. Before bed, no productivity, no studying, no scrolling, just slow music, stretching, or writing tomorrow's top 3 tasks. Tell your brain, you're safe, we've got this. 2. 1 hour of real focus per day, not 6 hours. Just 1 clean hour of deep, distraction-free work. Your brain needs intensity to feel satisfied. 3. Protect evenings, not mornings. Stop trying to wake up like a superhero. Start going to bed like someone who respects their future self. Energy comes from alignment, not force. If you're always tired, listen to me. You're not broken, you're not lazy, and you're definitely not alone. You're just running on a system that was never designed for peace. Try one small change tonight. Just one. And if this video made you feel understood, that's your sign you're on the right path. Let's level up day by day. Not perfectly, but consciously. See you in the next one.